that incoming call from label's number to your number is followed by an outgoing call from your number 6890 on the 12th of September 2020 at 22:10:13. It's an MOC, an outgoing call lasting 120 seconds to a number 0766725762. The tower is still 3G Queenswood NGA.
Emva kwalolu cingo lolu kaLebu ke khona futhi ke landelayo lapho ke ekhombisa ke wena ekhombisa inombolo yakho ke egcina ngo6890 yashayala ke inombolo ke le 0766725762 isikhathi ke ku22:10:13 khona lapho umbhojongo wase Queenswood ethatha ke 120 seconds.
If I can ask you to look at your index, Annexure 3, index number 199.
Cela ubheke ke kule ncwadi ke izingcingo zakho lapho ku number 199.
You see that contact is safe as Norma Zwide. Zwide, it's safety ZIWDE Zwide, Norma Zwide. Do you see that contact?
Uyabona ke ukuthi ke yana ke ibhalwe ke inombolo le njengo Norma Zwide. Yes, I can see that.
See, the number is 0766725762.
Inombolo yakho na ke ivyala ke njengo 0766725762. Yes, I can see that.
Who is this contact? Norma
Manje
Zwide.
ubani ke lo uNorma Zwide? It's a lady from Ndwandwe, the Ndwandwes.
Yes, how is he known? How is she known to you?
Manje ke umazi kanjani noma yena ukwazi kanjani? I know since we are coming from the very same village.
Is she also from Kohlokolo?
Na ubuya le Kohlokolo?
Yeah.
Yes.
You'll see that as we've just placed on record, there's an outgoing call to her number, an MOC, at 22:10.
Uyabona ukuthi ke khona ke ucingo ke luya raphuma ke la ke kunombolo yakhe isikhathi beku 22:10:13.
Then that call is followed by a call from label's number to a number ending 6890 on the 12th of September 2020 at 22:13:30. There's an incoming call, an MTC lasting 83 seconds from label's number ending 1698. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Emva kwalokho nje siyabona ukuthi khona futhi ke ulicingo futhi oliphumayo ke libuya ke nombolweni le kaLebu liza ke nombolweni yakho legcina ngo6890 ekaLebu igcina ngo1698 isikhathi ku22:13:30 nayo ngomhla ka-12 September 2020 futhi ke yathatha ke ama-second angaba 83 phansi kombhoshongo futhi we-Queenswood.
Then there's an incoming text again. There's an incoming text from your contact 199, Norma Zwide. Your number 16890 on 12 September 2020 at 22:24:09 receives an incoming text and empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Norma Zwide's number 0766725762. The tower is Queenswood, NGA.
Emva kwalokho futhi siyabona ukuthi ke khona ke umlayezo ke owangena ke SMS ubuya kuyena ke Norma Zwide onombolo uphuma ku Norma Zwide nombolo u-07667255762 eya kunombolo yakho ke legcina ngo-16890 isikhathi ke ku-22:24:09 usuku ku-12 September ngo-2020.
Then there's another incoming text from the very same number of Norma Zwide. Your number 6890 on 13 September 2020 at 00:03:35 received an incoming text or an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from Norma Zwide's number 0766725762. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Emva kwalokho futhi ubonakala khona umlayezo ke usuka ke nombolini yakhe ke Norma Zwide u-0766725762 iyake efonini yakho ke egcina ngonombolo ke 6898 futhi usuku kuyi-13 zika September ngo-2020 isikhathi ku-00:03:35 phansi kombhoshongo futhi wakhona lapho eQueenswood.
Then again, about 19 seconds after that incoming text, your number 16890 on 13 September 2020 at 00:03:54 seconds is an incoming call from Norma Zwide's number 0766725762.
Uma ke sesiqhubekela phambili futhi kuyobonakala futhi ke mhla ka-13 September ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-00:03:54 seconds kuyobonakala ukuthi inombolo yakho ke le inombolo yakho egcina ngo-16890 yathola ke umlayezo obuya ke kunombolo yakhe Norma Zwide ke o-0766725762.
Then about an hour later, after that incoming call from Norma Zwide, your number 6890 on 13 September 2020 at 04:35 seconds makes an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 1,802 seconds to Noma Zwide's number 0766 725 762. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Emva kwehora ke futhi ke kuyabonakala ukuthi ke inombolo yakho le igcina ngo6890 mhla ka 13 September ngo20 thola ngesikhathi 010435 ikenza ucingo oluphumayo uleyo nombolo ke kaNoma Zwide e07 6725762 eyathatha ke i1802 second phansi kombhosho ngofuthi ke iQueenswood.
Now, we also want to refer to a please call me made to the number of Noma Zwide. Your number ending 6890 on 27 September 2020 at 004504 sent a please call me to Noma Zwide's number 0766 725 762.
Futhi ke sithanda ukuthi sikhulume ke ngo please call me ngicela ungithinte lo owaphuma owathunyelwa ke ngenombolo ke ekungeyakho egcina ngo6890 ngomhla ka 27 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku4504 enombolo yakho Noma Zwide ke eku0766 725762.
What is your comment with specific reference to this communication between your number and the number of Noma Zwide on index 199? Outgoing call from your number to her number, then an incoming text message from her number to your number, then another incoming text to your number from her number, then an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 3,600 seconds from her number ending 5762 to your number ending 6890, and then an outgoing call from your number 6890 to her number ending 5762.
Manje ke wena uthini ke kuloko ubekele khona ke malana ke nalama call kukhanya ngayo iqala le eyasuka ke iphuma kuyena iza kuwena kwaba khona futhi ke le ephuma kuyena futhi naye iza kuwe kwaba khona futhi nomlayezo owathunyelwa osuka kuyena uza kuwena futhi nenye call futhi le yenzwa uyena kunombolo yakhe ingathatha engaba u306 second isuka ke kuyena iza kuwena futhi ke nenye futhi ke eyenzwa esuka kunombolini yakho iyake enombolini yakhe sikhuluma ngaye ke lo number 199 uNoma Zwide on a phone number 8066725762.
Kusenkantolo mina ngisasho la phambili kusenkantolo ngangena phone.
My Lord, I'm still repeating myself that I did not have a phone.
Kuthi azange ngize ngimcall back lo ngamgcina msho kumbona ngamalanga ecorona emakhaya mina ngihamba ngakubo esigodini sangakubo.
And I've never sent a please call to her. The last time I saw her was during the corona times when I was around her village.
There are 94 contacts. We're still just verifying that between your number and her number ending 5762.
ngokuya ke ngamaphepha nakakhombisa ukuthi ke kuye kwaba khona ke phakathi kwenumber yakhe nenumber yakhe legcina yakho nalegcina ngo5762 khona mhlawumbe ukuxhumana ke kungaba 94 inkandla zingaba 94.
Now, from 1 September, those calls range from 1 September 2020 to 30 November 2020.
Futhi ke masikhuluma ke ngawo ke lama call la ke aqala ke ukubonakala kusuka mhla ka 1 September ngo2020 kuzokufika ke umhla ka 30 November 2020.
Now, regarding that outgoing call to her number from your number that lasted 1,802 seconds, who would have made that call to her?
Manje ke masikhulume ke ngale cingo call le yaphuma ke suka yakuye le eyaba yathatha 1,802 seconds. Ubani umuntu uzabe emfonela? Ufonela ubani?
Kusenkantolo ngiyathemba sengichaze amalanga amaningi lapha kusenkantolo ukuthi mina ngangena phone ifoni ihlukana la ngoJune 16.
My Lord, I've explained on several occasions that I did not have the phone. The last time that I had the phone was on the 16th of June.
Ifoni yami kusenkantolo ifonela abantu abaningi abanye ngizocela mina nommeli wami sixhumane nabo bezosho babefonela leli iphoyisa bafonela ngefoni yami.
My phone, my Lord, has been used to call a lot of people. I would request myself and my attorney that these people should also be called so that they will come and explain which police officer called them.
Ngoba kwabanye lalithi liyaphenya.
Because to some, he or she has said they are doing investigations.
Manje ngiyacela ukuthi kwakuphenywa ngefoni yami. Ati ifona mayicisho ati ifakwe lapha efakwa khona yami ifoni iyaphenya iphenya abantu ukuthi bayini nami.
So I'm just puzzled that they are doing investigations using my phone. Exactly what are they investigating with my phone?
And also that call on the 12th of September 2020 at 22:10, 13 seconds is an outgoing call that lasted 120 seconds from your number to her number ending 5762.
Futhi ke uma sibheka futhi ke kunalenye mhla ka 12 September 2020 isikhathi ke ku 22:10 ke lapho ke kwaba khona ke icall ephumayo eyathatha ke imzuzu ngaba 122 ubuya ke inombolo yakho eya ku nombolo yakhe legcina ngo 5762.
I assume your response remains the same as to who could have made that call.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi impendulo yakho yafana ke nalezi ezinye ukuthi ke ubani ke mhlambe wafona lapho.
Mina ngasibamba ukuthi ngangena phone.
I don't know, my Lord, since I did not have a phone.
Mina ifoni yami ngihlwana nayo June 16. Amafoni amayi2. Samsung J5 ilele emhlophe leyo ngiyasisi ngihlukana nayo June 16 ethathwa ngomkhani nomabhene esandleni.
The last time I had my phones, two of them, my Lord, was on the 16th of June. It was a Samsung and the other white phone which belonged to my sister. And they were both taken by Mabena and Mohane.
But who would have known that she's from Kotlokolo and made contact with her using your number?
Manje kodwa ubani umuntu bengazi ukuthi yena lo ubuya lapha kohlokolo naye bese yazama ukuxhumana naye asebenzisa ke inombolo yakho.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi igama ukuthi kohlokolo liphuma kimi emlonyana liphuma kuwe ngisho siphambo kosenkantolo liphuma kimi.
My Lord, the name Kohlokolo is what I voluntarily gave, is not from you, Mr. Prosecutor.
Mina lapha ekhoti sengitshele futhi kaningi ukuthi ifoni yami ayithathwa akusho ukuthi cisha ifoni yakho. Ifoni yami ihamba ivuliwe i-on data i-on Facebook yonke into no WhatsApp.
And I did mention before the court that when my phone was taken from me, I was never requested to switch it off. They took it on, the data was still on, and also WhatsApp and Facebook. It would have been much better if Mabena and Mohale were before court so that they can give an explanation of exactly what happened or what they did with my phone.
Ngoba lapha mkhosi kodwa akulona iqiniso ukuthi ngathola nefone emaseleni makulona iqiniso.
Because, my Lord, it is not the truth that I was found in possession of a cell phone in the cells.
Akufiki ngisho umuntu oyedwa severede yake la umphathi oyedwa azosho ukuthi iPhone bayithola ke futhi iphone okwesi2 ayibhaliwe la emaphepheni ukuthi iphone ngatholakala la.
And secondly, there's nobody from Valeria to come and explain or give that evidence before the court that the phone was found in my possession. And secondly, there's no document that shows that the phone was found in my possession.
There are also the following calls from between your number and Norma Zuide's number. Your number 6890 on 4 September 2020 at 001806 made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 3,548 seconds to Norma Zuide's number 0766 725 762, the Tower 3G Queenswood NGA.
Futhi ke uma sesiqhubekela futhi phambili ke kuyabonakala ukuthi ke inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 ngomhla ka4 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku001806 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo luya ke inombolo kaNorma Zuide lo evela u0766 725 762 ngaphansi kombhosho ngofuthi weQueenswood.
So did you put the seconds on record?
Ama second ku 3,548.
It's close to an hour.
Mawabheka ke lawa ama second ke ngaze cishe kube ihora lonke.
Kubhalwe ukuthi ihola mhlambeni uze ngizobona.
Where is it written that it's an hour?
Yes, but if you divide those seconds by 60, which makes 60 seconds make a minute, if you divide that by 60, it will give you close to an hour.
Uma ke wa divide ke lama second abawushiya 3,548 ngo6 ngoba 60 seconds ke kunikeza ke umzuzu owodwa. So more divide ke wonke la uzokunikeza mhlambe icishe ibe ihora lonke.
Nguye wahlanganisana lapha ecourt.
So you are the one who's making those calculations.
The next contact,
Cha phela ngithola ipendulo ukuthi yebo noma cha. Umuntu ngiyotshela ecourt
Yes.
noma second fanele ngithola ipendulo.
So I need to get an answer if
Yes.
you are the one who's making those calculations, since
Yes.
you are
if
telling
you
the court.
convert those seconds to minutes, that's what you'll get. But we can work with seconds, Mr.
Maso uguqula lo 3,548 ke lo ma second ke umguqula ke umisa kuma minutes ke ungathola ke ihora kodwa ke uthi umshushi sichama siyekele masebenze ngala ma second ke
Cha,
3,548.
Uguqula nguye phambi kwecourt ngifuna ukuthi yebo cha.
I need the response of a yes or a no. So are you
Yes.
saying you're the one who's converting that before the court?
Yes, we work that out.
Yebo indlela ke si uguqule ngakhona.
Okay.
Okay.
The next call, your number 6890 on 6 September 2020 at 001938 made an outgoing call to Norma Zuide's number 0766 725 762 lasting 2,792 seconds. And as we mentioned, is an MOC and outgoing call. The Tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Futhi ke enye ke siqhubekela phambili inombolo yakho ke le egcina ngo6890 ngomhla ka6 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku001938 iyayenza ke ucingo oluphumayo luya kucingo likaNomazwide ke lo elikhombisa ku 0766 725 762 imizuzu yakhona kungaba ke 2792 second phansi kombhoshongo futhi ke iQueenswood.
Your number ending 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 22:10:01 made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 750 seconds to Norma Zwide's number 0766 725 562. The Tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Inombolo yakho futhi yaveza legcina ngo 6890 mhla ka 10 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ke ku 22:10:01 nombolo yakho ke yenza ucingo oluphumayo luya ku nombolo ke kaNomazwide ke evela njengo 0766 725 762 le yathatha ke ama second ngaba 750 ngaphansi kwesibhoshongo ke uQueenswood.
Your number ending 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 22:23:19 received a text message and MTSMS lasting 0 second from Nomazwide's number 0766 725 762. The tower is 3G Queenswood
Inombolo yakho futhi ke legcina ngo
NGA.
inombolo yakho legcina ngo 6890 mhla ka 10 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ku 22:23:19 yathola ke umlayezo ku SMS ke evela kunombolo ke yaka Nomazwide le evela njengo 0766 725 762 ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi iQueenswood yenza 0 second.
Your number ending 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 22:24:04 made an outgoing call lasting or an MOC lasting 186 seconds to Norma Zwide's number 0766 725 762.
Inombolo yakho ke igcina ngo 6890 ngomhla ka 10 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ku 22:24:04 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo liya ku nombolo ka Nomazwide evela u 0766 725 762 yathatha ke 186 second ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke iQueenswood.
Your number 6890 on 11 September 2020 at 00:20 and 37 seconds received an incoming call and MTC from Norma Zwide's number 0766 725 762 lasting 2,949 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Inombolo yakho futhi yona legcina ngo 6890 mhla ka 11 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ke ku 002037 yathola ke ucingo ke olungenayo lubuya kuNomazwide onenombolo ke u 0766 725 762 eyathatha ke imzuzu ngaba 2,949 seconds ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi Queenswood.
We just sampling few calls of Nomazwide, as we mentioned, there are 94 of them. What is your comment regarding these calls that we have just sampled?
Yebo ke siveza nje phela ke amanye amakholi kambalwa ke ngoba njengoba sichazile sathi wonke mawaphelele ke uphakathi konombolo yakho Nomazwide ke ngaba 94 manje uthini kulawa manje sesikhulume ngawo.
Usenkantolo mina azange ngixhumana noNomana futhi angangena phone ukuba nefone.
My Lord, I did not contact Noma, and at that time I did not even have a phone.
Mangibuka isikhathi la u12/1938 sikhuluma ngengane yasikhuluma ngomuntu omdala ukuthi ungafanele ingane ebusuku ngane isikhathi lesi.
And looking at the time that is showing on the document, it says 10/1938. My Lord, we're talking about a child here. I cannot call a child at that time.
Siphinde sibuyela ku-22/10/01.
And then also to refer also on the time stipulated, which says 22/10/01.
Siphinde sibuye ngapha nge-11/09 12/20/37 isikhathi
What is cutting?
00/20/37.
00/20/37. And also to refer to the time on the other document, which is 00/20/37.
Ingane njalo esikhuluma ngayo.
We're talking about a child, a small child.
Singakho nje ngifuna ukwazi phambi kwasekade ukuthi ifoni yami yayenziwani lapho yayihleli khona.
That is why, my Lord, I still want to know before the court exactly what were they doing with my phone.
You say, Norman, Zwide is a child. How old is he?
Uthi ke uNoma Zwide ke uyingane uneminyaka emingaki?
Noma iminyaka yakhe ngingayazi akalingani kodwa nalona oyintombazana ozelvele ngama akalingani nemncane kakhulu kuye.
Even though I'm not quite sure of her age, but she's not up to the age of the one that comes after me. She's way younger than that one.
Did you contact her prior to your arrest?
Manje ke uNoma lo uye waxhumana naye noma wamthinta ke ngaphambi ukuthi uboshwe?
Cha Nkosi enkantolo.
No, my Lord.
Ukufona mhlambeni yena usisi wakhe efona ukukhona usisi wakhe lo ejela ukuzothenga ikhwana ekhaya kumama latelo kaMacaza. Uma ukuthi ngikhona ekhaya ngibusa amacaza akhona umsisi wakhe omdala ngimjwayele.
The possibility could be that her elder sister is the one that she normally will come and buy the material that we use to knit the African mat. She will normally call and find out if they are available or not.
Hayi yena umntwana lo mncane ngikhuluma ngosisi wakhe wayekafona ngale namba mayefuna mhlambe ngikhona ekhaya efonela umama.
I'm not referring to the child, I'm referring to her sister. Whenever I'm around at home, she'll call me to find out if the mats are available for my mom.
Or on which number would she call you?
Ube kufonela kuphi na? Yena makakufonela bese
Angithi sikhuluma ngenamba le.
We're talking about this number, isn't it?
But was she using this number to communicate with you?
Ube sebenzisa le nombolo le ukuthi ke akhulume nawe.
Usisi wakhe mangakhuluma naye ngoba nomama wakhe futhi ngiyamazi. Umama wakhe umuntu ojwayele kakhulu noma basota ndawonye futhi.
Ngicela ungiphindele futhi.
Ngithi nomama wabo ngiyamazi kakhulu ngoba ujwayele kakhulu nomama abantu abasota ndawonye.
I also know their mom because they are close to my mom. They attend the same church.
But, Mr. Ntanzi, initially you said Norma Zwide is a child, and you said it's improbable that you could be communicating with her at the times given on the section 205s. And when we asked you whether you've communicated with her before your arrest, you said no. But then you, without being prompted, added that you were communicating with the sister.
Mnumzane Ntanzi uthi ke umshishisi ke okokuqala uye wathi la enkantolo yena uNoma lona umntana osemncane washo wathi ke akwenzeki ukuthi ungazomfonela ngale nkathi lezi ezibekiwe la phansi lezi ke ungazange ke mhlawumbe ubuze imibuzo noma kanjani ke wena wasositshela ukuthi ke ubukhuluma ke naye ukhuluma nosisi wakhe.
Akusile icala ukukhuluma nosisi wakhe angithi ngithini usisi wakhe nguye wayevamise ukufona ngale namba makuthiwa futhi ngikhona ekhaya isikhathi esiningi. nalokuthi sisokho futhi ngimjwayele.
It's not an issue to speak to a sister, and she's the one that will normally call with this number, and I'm used to her.
Your number ending 6890 on 15 April 2020 at 13:19:00 made an outgoing call lasting 74 seconds to Noma Zwide's number 0766 725762, and the tower is Kohlokolo UNKZN.
Futhi nombolo yakho ke legcina ngo 6890 mhla ka 15 April ngo 2020 kwaba khona ucingo oluphumayo liya ke kuyona inombolo le ka Noma Zwide u 0766 725762 yathatha ke 74 seconds ngaphansi ko Boshongo ke uKohlokolo.
Kohlokolo nguya khona ngithi nesigodi sasesikhwebezi.
That's where I'm coming from, Kwahlokolo, in the Skhwebezi section. Village, sorry.
Kune ground futhi Kohlokolo elikhulu.
And there's also a big sports field at Kohlokolo.
So your number has been communicating with Noma Zwide's number before your arrest, and these are just a few communication that we are sampling. Your number 6890 on 22 May 2020 at 21:53:41 made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 4 to 6 seconds to Noma Zwide's number 0766 725-762, and the tower is 3G Kohlokolo UNKZN.
Futhi ke inombolo yakho le egcina ngayo 6890 ngomhla ka 22 May ngo 2020 isikhathi ku 21:53:41 ikhombisa ukuthi ke kwaba khona ke ucingo oluphumayo liya kuNoma Zwide lo nombolo ke 0667255762 elathatha ke 426 seconds khona lapha phansi kwesiBoshongo ke uKohlokolo.
Your number ending 6890 on 22 May 2020 at 22:12:18 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 90 seconds to Noma Zwide's number 0766725762, and the tower is 3G Kohlokolo U9 KZN.
Futhi ke inombolo yakho yona le egcina ngo 6890 ikhomba ukuthi mhla ka 22 May ngo 2020 isikhathi ku 22:12:18 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo liya numberini ka Noma Zwide Noma Zwide lapho ke lithatha 90 second khona futhi nakhona kwenzeka khona ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke uKohlokolo.
Mina ngubona kulicala ukufanele le number le. Futhi le number la ayidibanise nix ngokushona komuntu kanguqula lapha eKatolo.
I don't see any issue or any problem with calling this number, and this number has nothing to do with the person who passed on.
Ngoba manje mangibuza ufunda ama date usukhuluma nje amalanga ecorona apha ngisihlele emakhaya.
Because now listening to you reading or going through this date, you are referring to the days of the corona pandemic whilst we're at home.
Ungenza mhlawumbe ngalesi sikhathi oshort mhlawumbe ngangise ground ngibukele ibhola ledlala ibhola lasemakhaya ledwane ngihlala sihlele sibuka ibhola.
Maybe these days or dates you are referring to, I was just at home at the sports field watching soccer being played by young boys.
The last two calls that want to refer you between your number and Noma Zwide's number, your number ending 6890 on 15 April 2020 at 13:19:00 seconds made an outgoing call lasting 74 seconds to Noma Zwide's number 0766725762,
Futhi masiqhubekela ke futhi phambili inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 mhla ka 15 April ngo2020 isikhathi ku13:19:30 yenza ke ucingo oluphumayo ke la ku nombolo noma Zwide levela ke njengo 0766725762 eyathatha ke 74 seconds.
Your number ending 6890 on 16 April 2020 at 17:46:51 made an outgoing call lasting 149 seconds to Noma Zwide's number 0766725762 and the tower is 3G Kotlokolo U9 KZN.
Inombolo yakho egcina ngo6890 mhla ka 16 April ngo2020 isikhathi ke u17:46 inombolo yakho ke ngoba khona ucingo oluphumayo luya ke kunoma Zwide inombolo yakho ku 0766725762 ngaphansi ka umbhosho ngokohloko.
We've counted about 16 outgoing calls, MOCs, the calls that your number made to Noma Zwide's number before your arrest.
Sibaleke ama calls angaba u16 ke aphumayo kuwena ekunombolo yakho ayakunombo kanoma Noma Zwide.
What is your comment?
Uthini kuloko?
Mina ngisamile phambi kosenkathi ethi ngingaphathanga phone.
I still stand on what I said, my lord, that I did not have the phone.
Ngoba namanje nje ngimile phambi kwecourt khona amathawe ngiwabukayo la yizo amanye ngingakwazi ukuthi athi njengale thawa lesise banzi Silverton what play lena le uthi phone yami yayihamba bobani important.
And my lord, as I'm standing here and looking at this document, there are some towers that I don't even know where they are. He's pointing at 3G Silverton, 3G Zwarkopes, and 3G Nil Mapias.
Yes.
So I don't know who was with my phone in those areas.
Ms. Santanzi, we're still busy with the period before your arrest. The 16 outgoing calls between your number. In fact, the 16 calls that were made, the MOCs that were made to Noma Zwide's number 0766725762.
Mnumzane Ntanzo manje ke sisakhuluma ke ngama calls la enzeka ngaphambi ukuthi uboshwe i16 esiwavezile manje la bekunokuxhumana phakathi kwenumber yakho naye le kaNoma Zwide le evela njengo 0766725762.
We put it to you that all these are outgoing calls, there's no incoming call.
Sikubekela ukuthi ke wonke ke lama call ke bekucingo lama calls ke aphumayo ayikho ke engenayo wonke bewaphuma.
So to what you're saying that the sister used to call regarding the inquiring about the Mets.
Ukuphambana naloko wena ukushila ukuthi ke usisi ke lo uyena befonela wena efuna ukubuza ke ngamacansi.
Nethi mina phambi kwecourt akuphambana ayikho into yaphambana ngowejikayo. Phambi
There's
kwecourt.
nothing contrary here, my lord. You are the one who's turning all this around.
Yes.
Mawufonela umuntu ufuna usizo uyamfonela mayefona yena efuna usizo kwena ngizomsiza.
When you call somebody looking for a help, you will make that call. When the person wanting help calls me, I will offer that help.
Yes.
Mina kuyenzeka ngihambe ngiyobuka ibhola nabafana bangakithi uNomami lamusisi wakhe ngizobatshela icala silethele amanzi makuthi na olama ice la efridge nisilethele makuthi akho kuseduzane neground laseKhakubu.
I would normally go and watch soccer that is played by young boys, and I would call and then I'll call Noma and the sister requesting that they bring us water and also ice since the sports field, the soccer field is not far
Manje
from where
akusile
they
icala
stay.
ukuxhumana naye mina akusile icala. Inombolo yakhe ayiyanga kwisini neyama ayiyanga kwisini.
So it's not a crime to contact her since my number was not present at the scene, and also her number was not present at the scene.
Yes, we already put it to you that there are no MTC's incoming calls
Uthi-ke siyakubekela
during the
ukuthi-ke
period from her number to your number. It's only outgoing calls to her number.
so bekelwe-ke ukuthi-ke manje-ke lana-ke alukho ucingo-ke olungenayo ucingo oluphumayo kuwo ofonayo ofonela yena.
lokho akuseli icala angifonela isigeba ngifonela ingane yakithi ingane yangithi encane.
That is not a crime. I'm calling somebody from my village.
Mina ngikuthanda lapha phambi kwekhoti ukuthi mina ifoni yami ayikho kwisini futhi azange ngaze ngaya kwisini azange ngibulale senzo noma ngimla phambi kwekhoti.
What I like about all this is that my phone was never at the scene and I've never killed Senzo as I'm standing before this court.
Ngibhizi lapha ekhoti ngiphendula izinto za 2018, 2019, 2020.
I'm standing here in court and I'm responding to the happenings of 2018, 2019.
The crux of the matter, Mr. Ntanzi, is that there was contact with Norma Zude's number before your arrest, 16 outgoing calls, and also after your arrest during the period that we've just put on record.
Uthi komshushisi ke kufanele sibhekisa ukuthi manje khona bekhona ke ukuthintana noma ukuxhumana ke ka 16 ke ube khona ama calls asoka kuwena aya lapha ku Noma Zude ngaphambi ukuthi uboshwe nasemva ukuthi uboshiwe.
Yebo ngiyavuma. Ukuxhumana kwami naye ukuthi siplan ukuthi sifuna sobulalo senzo. Njengoba ngitshene icourt ithi nasasiplan nabasola la ukuthi sasiplan sifuna ukubulala.
So are you saying my contact with her that we're planning to go kill Senzo, as we are alleging that myself and my co-accused were planning to go and kill Senzo?
Sir, I've already explained to you that we showing you that you had contact with her number both before your arrest and after your arrest. We've mentioned that the call start from the 1st of September 2020 to 30 November 2020, and we counted in the order of 94 calls.
Sizama nje ukukhomba ukuthi ke bekhona ke uxhumana ke amafoni eyakho neyakhe lapho ke naxhumana khona ke mawubheka ke inkathi ungaba usukela nge1 zika September ngo2020 kube yi30 zika November ngo2020 konke makuhlanganisiwe kungaba ke ama calls angaba 94.
Lokho akulona iqiniso ukuthi mina ngangixhumana naye ngaso isikhathi leso ngoba ifoni yayo ingekho kimi.
That is not correct that I was having contact with her since the phone was not with me.
Yes, then going back to page 20 of 200, the next call after that outgoing call to Norma Zude's number that lasted 1,802 seconds on her number ending 5762, the next call, it's an incoming call from Lebo's number ending 1698, still on the 13th of September 2020 at 08:46:54 seconds. It was an incoming call from Lebo's number to your number ending 6890.
Uma ke sesiqhubekela ke emuva khona lapho mhla ka 13 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 08:46:54 khona ke ucingo olungenile ke lubuya kunombolo ka Lebo.
Then there are a series of calls. Those are incoming calls from Lebo starting at 18:25:15 on the 13th of September 2020 on her number 1698 to your number 6890. At 18:25:15, 18:32:11, 18:52:06, 20:43:17. All these are incoming calls from Lebo's number to your number.
Khona ke amanye ama number ke akho number ke la ka Lebo lapho ikhombisa khona ukuthi iyashayela ke inombolo yakho ke ngenkathi ezahlukahlukene. Siqala lapha ku-18 isikhathi ku-18:23:15 ngathi 13 zika September 2020 kube u-18:32:11 kube u-18:52:06 no-20:43:17.
And the last call at 13 September 2020 at 20:43:17 was an incoming call from Lagos number. The duration was 1,234 seconds and the tower is 3G Queenswood.
Futhi ke kube khona futhi enye futhi ke sibona i-call la namhla ka 13 September 2020 futhi ke ikhombisa ukuthi ke uLebo futhi nawo uyafonela inombolo yakho le ikhola khona thatha 1,234 second ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi weQueenswood.
Then your number 6890 on 14 September 2020 at 10:39:35 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 44 seconds from your mother's number 07906967750.
Futhi ke inombolo yakho mhla ka 14 September 2020 yathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke ngesikhathi 10:39:35 lubuya ku inombolo ekama wakho ke 07906967750 eyathatha ke 44 seconds.
Then there was an incoming text message from Lagos number ending 1698
Kube khona futhi
on
umlayezo
14 September 2020 at 12:25:40 to your number ending 6890. The tower is 3G Queenswood, and the previous incoming call from your mother, the tower is also 3G Queenswood NGA.
futhi kube khona umlayezo futhi ke ubuya ke nombolini kaLebo legcina ngo 1698 iza ke nombolo yakho nge 14 zika September ngo 2020 isikhathi ku 12:25:40 ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke Queenswood ke nale yakho yoqala ke le besithi kuya kuma wakho naye iphuma ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke Queenswood.
Then on the same day, 14 September 2020, there's an incoming call from Lebo's number at 13:24:09 seconds. I'm sorry, there's a call from the number 8 ending 3332. So the number ending 3332 calls your number 6890. It's an incoming call, an MTC lasting 105 seconds.
Mhla ka 14 September ngo 2020 khona ke ucingo olusuka kulo nombolo lecela ngo 3332 le ecingweni lakho lolu ovela njengo 6890 isikhathi ku 13:24:09 elathatha ke 105 seconds.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlambe ke ufuna ukusho
Mina ngisamile phambi kosenkantolo ukuthi ngangena phone ifone ngehlona ngo June 16.
I still maintain that I did not have a phone. The last time I had a phone was on the 16th of June.
Ngoba kwalona iphepha lela kwa Vodacom liyazisho ngendlela elihamba ngayo ukuthi ifone yami ihambe endaweni eyiso endaweni ehamba so mina ngingazange ngize ngizizazi nokuzazi.
Because even this document from Vodacom will show exactly where my phone, the areas where my phone has been, which areas that I've never been.
Then there was an incoming call from Lebo at 14:21:24 on the 14th of September on her number ending 1698 to a number ending 6890 that lasted 144 seconds.
Kube khona futhi olunhlungu futhi ke lubuya kuLebu mhla ka 14 September ngo2020 isikhathi ku 14:21:24 lathatha ke 144 seconds.
Kuliphi phela senangisabona khona.
Sorry, do you have a comment?
Mina ngisabile phambi kosenkantolo ngangena phone.
I still stand by what I said, my lord, that I did not have a phone.
I just wish to refer to your phone book, Annexure 3, still on page 9. There is a contact C. Beke. It's contact number 243. Do you see that?
Ngicela ukuthi ngiphinisele futhi emuva ke encwadini yakho yezincingo. Kune contact le evela njengo 243 uSibheke, uyayibona?
Yebo ngiyabona.
Yes, I can see that.
With the number 063-758-1691.
Evela ke ngenombolo ke u-063-758-1691.
Do you see that?
Uyakubona lokho?
Ngiyabona.
Yes, I can see that.
Who is this contact?
Manje ke ubani ke lo uSibheke?
Noma igama sengasalikhumbuli kahle phambi kosenkantolo.
My lord, I don't recall or remember the name exactly.
On page 20 of 200, the page that we're busy with, case ID 1031227, your number ending 6890 on 13 September 2020 at 07:22:32 received an incoming call or an MTC that lasted 1,799 seconds from C. Becker's number 063-758-1691.
Uma ke futhi sibheka lana ke bonakala ukuthi inombolo yakho yathola ke icingo ke olungenayo olubuya kunombolo kaSibheke e-063-758-1691 eyathatha ke 1,799 seconds. Mhla ka 13 September 2020 isikhathi 07:22:32.
What is your comment?
Uthini wena kulokho?
Tower, sorry.
Ngangena phone phambi kosenkantolo.
I still maintain, my lord, that I did not have a phone.
The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Futhi umbhoshongo futhi 3G Queenswood NGA.
Now, Mr. Ntanzi, are you suggesting that the contact Sibeke made a call to your number and spoke for 1,799 seconds to someone other than you?
Manje Mzansi Ntanzi uzama ukuthi ke lo Sibheke lo uye wafonela ke ifoni yakho wakhuluma nomuntu ke 1,799 ongasuwena.
Yebo injalo kosenkantolo.
Yes, that is correct.
Ngoba ifoni nami mhlawumbe yena bayibona ukuthi on na WhatsApp na Facebook ini.
Maybe the person could see that my phone was on from the WhatsApp and the Facebook.
Ifoni yami mshushe sikimi ihambe ingavaliwe. Nekatolo ngitshene ukuthi ifoni yami ihambe ingavaliwe. Oyi2 abengacishwanga amafoni.
Both of my phones were not turned off. I did mention this to the court before.
Ukuthi lapho ifoni yami yayikhona yayenzwa ini mina ngazi uma ngangengekho duzane nefoni.
As to what was being done with my phone or what was happening, I have no knowledge of since I was not with my phone.
We've counted 89 calls between your number and C. Becker's number ending 1691 between the period 11 September to to 28 November 2020.
Sibaleke amakholi ke angaba 89 phakathi ke nombolo yakho naye le nombolo le ekasibheke ukusukela ngenkathi ke 11 September 2020 kubo 28 November 2020.
And that number 89 also includes PCMs. Please call me.
Leyo nombolo futhi kunamanye ke ama message ke afikile ke ukuthi ngicela ungithinte.
We just want to correct the period. We initially said 11, the calls start from 11 September, it's 1 September. 1 September 2020 to 28 November 2020.
Sithanda ukuthi singalungisa eqaleni seke lokho ngokuqala mhla ka11 cha kuqala mhla ka1 September wonke lama course mhla ka1 September ukufika ku28 November.
Ngisejela ngithi mina isikhathi leso.
And I was detained at that
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Yebo kunjani.
Okay.
Okay.
And do you have any comment regarding these calls between you and Sibeke?
Khona ke mhlawumbe ngathanda ukusho malana nalama course okukhulunywa ngawo ke phakathi kwakho nayo Sibeke.
Ingoba ngimile phambi kwesenkantolo namanje ngangena phone.
I still stand by my submission, my lord, that I did not have a phone.
Next calls that we are looking at are found on page 27 of 200. Case ID 1031227, still part of exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Siyaqhubekela phambili ke sizobheka ukuthi amanye ama course lapha lapha ku council number 27 sase uyona futhi exhibit DD.
On this page, there are also calls from label's number to your number and from your number to label's number starting on the 18th of September 2020 at 090639. There's an outgoing call from your number 6890 and MOC to label's number ending 1698 lasting 10 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke khona ke amanye ama courses sobhekana nawo asuka ke amanye asuka ecingweni lakho yaya kulebu amanye futhi aphinda asuka kuwena aye kulebu sobhekana ke nosuku 18 September 2020 isikhathi ke u090639 lapho ke kuye kwaba khona kucingwe kuphumayo ke so le number lo 6890 liya kulebu lo nombolo ecina ngo1698 elathatha ke imizuzu ngaba yishumi ngaphansi kweboshongo ke iQueenswood.
There are 10 calls between your number and label's number on this page, and the tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Khona la kule council lesilivile manje kunama calls ke ngaba yishumi ngaphakathi kwenombolo ka level inombolo yakho futhi ngaphansi kwemboshongo ke yana ke Queenswood.
The two calls that we want to refer you to are your number 6890 on 19 September 2020 at 14:12 13 seconds was called by your mother's number 0790 696750 lasting 6 seconds at 14:12:13. That call went to voicemail. It's a call forward. The tower is undefined.
Futhi ke masibheka ke mhla ka 14 kuye kwaba khona ke i-call ke engenayo ke soka ke kunomba kamama wakho isikhathi ke beku 14:12:13 ke eyathatha ke imizuzu engaba u6 seconds noma ke yangena ku voicemail umbhoshongo ke awuchazwanga.
Then again, your number 6890 on the 19th of September 2020 was called by your mother's number 0790696750 at 14, 13 and 18 seconds on 19 September 2020, lasting 2 seconds. The call went to voicemail. It was a call forward.
Inombolo yakho ke egcina ngo6890 ngomhla ka19 September ngo2020 uyathola ke ucingo olubuya kwinombolo ke ekama wakho ke u0790696750 isikhathi ke ku14 13 18 eyathatha ke imzuzu njengabambili kodwa ke yasengena ku voicemail.
Your number 6890 on 19 September 2020 at 14:25 and 24 seconds received an incoming text message, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from your mother's number
Ngazo ke
ending 6750. The tower is Queensuit NGA.
ngemhla ka1940 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku14:25 24 inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo6890 yathola ke umlayezo obeka inombolweni ke le ekama wakho ke legcina ke ngo6750 ngaphansi kombhosho ngofuthi ke iQueenswood.
And your number ending 6890 on 19 September 2020 at 14:25:24 received an incoming text message, an empty SMS from Norma Zwit. And received an incoming text message from the number of C. Beke that we have referred to in the index 063-758-1691.
Futhi ke ngomhla ka19 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku14:25:24 inombolo yakho ke levelayo ke njengo egcina ngo6890 yathola ke umlayezo ke SMS ke ubuya ke ku Sibeke inombolo yakho na ku 063-758-1691.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho lokho.
Mina ngisamile phambi kwesibhedlela nganginafoni.
I still stand by my submission, my lord, that I did not have a phone.
Ifoni yami ngihlola na June 16 mangiboshwa.
The last time I had my phone was in June 16 when I was arrested.
The next page, it's page 28 of 200, case ID 1031227, still exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 1.
Siphinde futhi siqhubekela phambili ke siya ku page 20. Nayo exhibit DD.
If we can refer you to page 8 of the phone book, index number 212, there is a contact Kululiwe with the number 072 888-7926.
Asiphinde sibuyele futhi lapha kule ncwadi yakho yezingcingo. Siyobheka ke lapha ke unumber 212 ovela ke njengokhululiwe ngenombolo ke ethi 072 8687926
No, Khululiwe's index 212.
or 212.
Yes. The number is 072 888-7926.
Now 212 khululiwe 072 8887926.
Your number ending 68, or who's Khululiwe?
Ubani ukhululiwe?
noma nasengasakhumbuli manje lo wabutheleza manje wasemancane ngisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi yena muphi phakathi kwabo khona wabutheleza khona wasemancwangeni.
My lords, I know two of Khululiwe. There's one surname Buthelezi and the other one is from Mamncwaneng. Mamncwango. So I'm not sure exactly which Khululiwe is this one in particular.
Your number ending 6890 on the 19th of September 2020 at 21:52:18 made an outgoing call to Khululiwe's number 072 888-7926 lasting 963 seconds.
Ngomhla ka 19 September ngo 2020 nombolo yakho legcina ngo 6890 isikhathi ke ku 21:52:18 ke yashaya ucingo oluphumayo la kukhululiwe kona nombolo ke ethi 072 888-7926 eyathatha ke 963 seconds.
Yes, do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho kulokho.
Mina ngisamile phambi kokuthi kodwa ngingangena phone mina.
I still maintain what I said before the court that I did not have a phone.
Bese ngiphinda ngimangala ukuthi ngangaze ngifonela umuntu isikhathi esingaka ngene phone yini lengangiyifuna kuye mina.
And I'm also surprised that I would spend so much time contacting contacting this person. What exactly will I be looking for from this person?
Ngoba nje mangathula ubuke la leli phepha la Vodacom laba bantu labo abathi mhlawumbe mangithiwa mhlawumbe ngidlulisa umlayezo nonto ngicela utshenele ubani ukuthi hayi uthi umuntu bengikhuluma naye ngixoxa naye.
Because if you can go back to this document from Vodacom, like these people that it will show that I've contacted, it's not like maybe I'll have long conversations with them. Maybe I'll just wanted to pass a message, to somebody.
Uma ukuthi ukhululiwe lo ngemcabangayo uncwango la sasuke mhlawumbe sifuna ubaba wakhe esikhulise ngoba sisitshela ubaba ukuthi akabambe ifoni.
If this Khululiwe is the one that I'm thinking it is, I think we had called looking for his father. So
abambe ifoni mhlawumbe siyafuna umuntu omdala ukuthi mhlawumbe abambe ifoni mhlawumbe ifoni akayiza
so that he will pass a message to his dad to answer the phone. Since he's an elderly person, he was not answering his call.
Did you see the period? 19 September 2020
19 September 2020
at 21:52:18.
Where are you reading that? 21.
We are on page 28. 19 September 2020 at 21:52:19. It's an outgoing call to Khululiwe's number ending 7926 lasting 963.
Uyabona ke lokho ile ephumile ke inombolo lakhe kunambolo la kakhululiwe.
Yingoba ngichaza phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ukuthi iyangimangaza mayizoveza sotho lo muntu bengajwayele nokuncokolana naye. Bekufuna ngithi ngicela ungitshenele umkhulu ukuthi abambe ifoni.
I'm also surprised, my lord, since I will not spend so much time with this person and I'm not even used to calling this a person. The only thing that I will do is just to call and tell her to please tell the elderly man to answer his phone.
Where is he from?
Ubuya usukaphi noma ubuyaphi?
suka esigodini ekuthiwa kusemtikini.
The village called Mtikili.
And how do you know Khululiwe?
Manje unomazi kanjani ukhululile?
Easy ukuthi ngingamazi.
It's easy for me to know her.
NaseKhakubu ngiyakhepha mangikhepele ngoma.
Wenzani?
Ukhempa.
Okay. I would also camp at their place when I'm out for the traditional dance or
Just before that call, there's your number 6890 on 19 September 2020 at 21:49:55 makes an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 1 second to C Becky's number ending 1691.
ngaphezu kwale besikhuluma ngayo khona ke enye ke yakho lapho ke iyaba khona icall ephumayo ngesikhathi ke 21:49:55 eyaba 1 second kufonelwa ke uSibheke
The
inombolo
tower is-
yakhe igcina ngo1691
tower is 3G Queenswood.
futhi ke umbhoshongo ke u3G Queenswood.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho?
Mina kosematela kukhona kusho manje sengisho amahlandla amanele ukuthi ngingaphethe phone.
My Lord, there's nothing to say because I've said this on several occasions that I did not have a phone.
Ngoba kwazona le lokuthi nangangine phone ePro station ngayifuna ivele izophendula la ecourt ukuthi yipi phone engangenayo maseleni yakhe.
This allegation that I had a phone at the police station, I want the authorities in Veruland, my Lord, to come and show to the court that which phone are they talking about, that I had a phone in the cell, and to show me where it is written that I had a phone in my possession.
As a court, please, my lord, can we adjourn at this stage for the day? Okay. It's almost 15:30.
Just